Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I have some exciting news that will change the way you buy data. Yes, lately we've all felt the rise of data cost. Whether you are using MTN, Telecel, which is formerly known as Vodafone, or AirtelTigo, you know that data bundles are getting more expensive. To make matters worse, many of these companies offer expiry data bundles at lower prices. But if you want non-expiry data, you have to pay a huge amount of money in order to get non-expiry data. But what if I told you there is a way to get non-expiry data at a cheap price? Yes, that's right. The website we are introducing today lets you buy non-expiry data bundles without breaking the bank. Without you having to spend much money on it. And here's the best part. You can even make some cool cash by selling this data to others as well. Plus, registering on this website is completely free. Unlike other platforms that charge a fee that charges you a fee to sign up, this one doesn't. Also, not only will I buy data from this particular website, but I will also register on the MTN AFA program. Yes, this website registers you on the MTN AFA program with a minimum fee. Instead of paying 20 cedis or even more to others for them to register you, you can register yourself on this particular platform here for less than 10 Ghana cedis, and I'll be doing that all in this video. Stick around and I'll show you how you can save money, stay connected, and even earn a little cash. Let's dive in. The link to this website will be in the video description. All you need to do is to click on it, and then you'll be taken to this registration page. You'll be taken to the registration page here, where you will be asked to enter some few details about yourself in order to get an account for yourself. So first, you will need to enter your full name right here. Enter your full name, enter a username which you would like to use for this particular platform. Enter your mobile number and email address. This will be used to send you updates. Also, when you make a purchase, they are going to send you the receipt of the purchase that you make through your email address. And also, create a password for yourself, confirm the password, and then click on where it says register. Click on where it says register and then create an account for yourself right here. I already have an account, so I'll just have to log in and then show you how this works. Okay, this is the user interface right here. When you come here, you can see MTN, AirtelTigo, and then AFA. MTN, AirtelTigo, and then AFA right here. So we'll be going with the MTN one, which is over here. So we just click on MTN here, and you see the offers they have here, which you can see 5 Ghana cedis for 1 gig, 9 cedis 50 pesos for 2 gig, 15 cedis for 3 gigabytes, 19 cedis for 4 gigabytes worth of data, 5 gigabytes for 25 Ghana cedis, 6 gigabytes for 30 cedis, 8 gig for 40 cedis, 10 gig for 47 cedis, 15 gig, and many more offers up to 100 gigabytes, which is 400 cedis on this platform. So what I would want you to do is to buy the cheapest ones here, which is the 1 gig, 2 gig, and then 3 gig. 1 gig, 2 gig, 3 gig are the most cheapest you can get on this particular platform here. So in this video, I'll be purchasing the 2 gig data right here. So let's click on that, and it's going to load a page for us to enter our details. So after, you can see it asks you to either continue shopping or you can choose to cancel your order. So I'm going to proceed to pay. Okay, this is the page where you need to enter your mobile number and then make your payment right here. So I'll just enter my mobile number right here and then choose this, and then click on where it says place order, and you are going to be taken through the payment system. So let's wait for this to load. Then we choose right here pay with mobile money. You can either choose to pay with your bank card or any other prepaid card you have over there. So with this, I'm going with pay with mobile money. So I choose pay with mobile money. They ask you to enter your mobile number and then choose a network provider. So you enter this. and they are going to send a prompt to you. They will send a prompt to you for you to enter, and this, yes, and that's it. You can see I've made a payment, and in some few minutes it's going to tell me my payment was successful. My payment was successful. Yes, and as you can see, payment has been confirmed. My payment has been confirmed. And one thing also you should know about this website is that they don't send you the data instantly. It takes some few minutes for you to receive your data, since other orders are also put into places. There are other people who are also buying data each and every minute. So let's go back to the home page right here, and for me to do my AFA registration. But before that, let me show you some 1848 hash. Choose my MTN, and you can see here it says become a member, bundle for others. So after my registration on the website, it's going to say purchase data instead of it asking me having to become a member. So I'm going to do that right here. So let's come here and then click on where it says services. Then we scroll to where it says AFA. Scroll to where it says AFA. And with AFA packages, you can get 200 minutes and even a unit or an SMS for you to use. 200 minutes for just 6 Ghana cedis, and you are not going to get that on any aspect or any other network. Yes, you are not going to get that anywhere. Only MTN does that. But before you can become that, you need to register on the AFA registration platform right here. So I'm just going to input my number, and they will ask you for an ID number. So let me fill in my details right here. Okay, after your details have been filled in, click on where it says pay now, and you choose pay with mobile money. Then enter your mobile number again, click on where it says confirm, and they will send you a one-time password, which we call an OTP, will be sent to your phone. So what you need to do is to go to your SMS and then check the code in which they have sent you. In this case, you can see my code here is 023641. 023641. So we go here, we copy the code, and we come here, then we input the code right here. So this, and you click on where it says authorize. After your authorization is complete, it is going to send you a prompt. It is going to send you a prompt for you to confirm your payment. So let me just confirm my payment right here real quick. Yes, and then you click on yes, and that's it. You've made your payment for the MTN AFA registration. So as you can see, it's going to take some few seconds to confirm whether my payment was successful or not. Yes, AFA registration, your payment was successful. Your payment was successful. So now let's go back to the dashboard and we check my orders. Click here and then click on where it says account. Click on where it says account, and let's go down, and as you can see, I have an order for a 2 GB data which is in view, which hasn't been completed yet, which will be completed soon, and also my AFA data registration is